In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your PC to receive calls such as Skype and WhatsApp. This is truly a powerful thing to be able to do from the comfort of your home or a remote studio. Today, the codec we're using is a Tieline ViA. It is the most popular and versatile remote codec on the market. It has all the options that you need to go live from anywhere, anytime. The setup I will show you today is a great way to be able to have live calls to air, or alternatively you can record them to an SD card and play the interview later. So for your setup, all you need is your ViA, your PC, a data cable. In this case I have a USB 2 to micro, USB 2 from the PC and micro into the ViA. If you're connecting to an Apple device, you will need a Lightning to USB camera connector, and that will enable you to do iPhones or iPads. And if your PC uses USB-C as well as your Android device, you can go and get a USB-C data cable to micro cable. For this example, we're going to use a laptop, but you can just as easily do it with your cell phone. Now that we've connected the ViA to your PC using the data cable, on the ViA, the auxiliary input needs to be set from the default of analog to USB. On the ViA's matrix editor, you need to feed the mic input to the auxiliary output so the incoming caller can hear your mic attached to the ViA. So now we're going to simulate our caller dialing our Skype connection. Now that I'm connected, I can talk into the microphone plugged into my ViA, and the auxiliary output from my ViA is going into my PC. I can also receive the incoming audio from Skype with my headphones. The audio mix of my audio and the Skype call can be streamed live back to the studio over IP. Or I can choose to record it using the record and playback feature on the ViA. Then I could play the recorded interview live on air later during my show. So that wraps it up for how easy it is to integrate a WhatsApp call or Skype call into a live broadcast. Thanks for joining me today. And if you'd like to get more information, please visit us at www.tieline.com. Thank you.